Okay, let's do it.
This is Toyé. Coming at you live and
Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl Kiitana here, and I'm back. Okay, let me get that. I'm back with a long-awaited video. Okay, I am gonna be doing a thrift lookbook for you guys. You already probably knew from the title or whatever. Okay, and I also teamed up with GlassesUSA.com to style them with glasses. You know, so I'm going to be showing you 6 different outfits and 6 different glasses. Make sure you like this video if you want more lookbooks and things of that nature. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and also make sure you comment down below which look is your favorite look. You feel me? You feel me? So before I begin, let me tell you guys about GlassesUSA.com. So they're an online retailer for glasses, and they have over 2,500 different pairs of glasses, prescription, fashion, sunglasses. You can get up to 70% off retail prices starting at $48. Super affordable, and it's free to add a prescription. There's also this really cool feature where you can like plug in a photo of yourself and you can try on all the glasses on the website. So that's really neat if you don't know how it's gonna look on your face. You know, you basically get to try it on before buying it. Alright, if you check my description box down below, you'll be able to see a coupon code where you can get a super awesome deal. So make sure you check that out. And make sure you check out GlassesUSA.com because, like I said, super high quality, great glasses for a really affordable price. So yeah, alright, let's get into the video right now. Right now.
right. From a flat touch. Oh, already alive already. You're not ready for this. Okay.
Hey diva, do you feel the vibe? Does it carry you go?
Go down, go down, go down.
Dance all night, girl, dance all night.
Yeah.
Let the music take you go.
Go down, go down, go down, go down, go down.
Baby, why you all alone? Just carry out tomorrow. Baby, meet me on the floor. I go know the door. She borrow, baby Joe. Follow me, make we go. Oh, cause it's going down. It's going down. Dancing and dancing, they go. See, I still lick what they flow. But just want to flex, they go. They go, my baby. Baby, come carry me, go. Like it when you carry, go. Make we go back, body, go. They go, my baby. I go to Miami, yeah. Your body, yeah. Baby, like mommy, yeah. Like mommy, yeah. DJ Chu from Lord, yeah, DJ Tag, party, yeah, the party, yeah. Jacka Joe, change your life, I can change your life. You must be my own. But if you don't wanna, that's alright, girl, that's alright. You must follow me home, yeah, me go. Baby, why you all alone? Just carry out tomorrow. Baby, meet me on the floor. I go know the door. She borrow, baby Joe. Follow me, make we go. Oh, cause it's going down. It's going down. Dancing and dancing, they go. See, I still lick what they flow. But just want to flex, they go. They go, my baby. Baby, come carry me, go. Like it when you carry, go. Make we go back, body, go. They go, my baby. I go to Miami, yeah. Your body, yeah. Baby, like mommy, yeah. Like mommy, yeah.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Let me know which one is your favorite look down below. I'd love to know. Also, make sure you check out GlassesUSA.com for all the glasses that I wore in this video and also for tons more. Alright, see you guys in my next one. Bye! Hello, son? Recording? Oh my god. Uh-oh. Where's the sun? What? And it's back. Okay. Sun's gone again.